An online appointment system isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's a serious asset for your business that keeps you connected with your clients around the clock from anywhere in the world. So whether your business operates in a physical space like a clinic or salon or virtually with clients around the globe, I'm here with a free appointment booking solution, that effortlessly adapts to your business or services. And trust me, you are going to love how smooth the entire booking setup process is. Okay, so there are many appointment plugins out there, but most are either, complex and limit essential features behind a paywall. So in this walkthrough, I'm using FluentBooking, and there are some clear advantages. It allows you to, add multiple hosts, create unlimited booking calendars, manage individual schedules for each team members, and yes, all that even on the free plan. So plus you can personalize notifications too. So I'm breaking down everything step by step so that you can easily understand how you can, set up a calendar for your appointment. So let's dive in. So first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'll go to the plugins and I'll just hit add plugins because we have to install our FluentBooking first. So from the search bar, I will just type FluentBooking. Nice. Okay, so we just got the FluentBooking. We'll hit just install now. It's a very lightweight plugin, so it will take a few seconds for fitting. Okay, so as you can see, it is already installed, and I'll just hit activate. Okay, so this is my FluentBooking actually from the dashboard. Okay, so first thing first, the page is event details page. So in this event details page, we'll basically define the event type, event name, and description, meeting duration, locations. So I will tell you details about all these options. So first we'll hit event type. There are two event types. One is one-to-one and other is group sessions. For one-to-one, what we can do is basically if I have an appointment with my doctor, so it would be like one-to-one counseling. And for the group session, basically for those who are business coach, they want to take classes or sessions. For them, actually, group session is actually work. So for now, I'll choose one-to-one, and the event name, so it would be software consultations. Nice. So one more exciting things that I want to share. Here is the color where I can choose and highlight my event name. So I'm giving my event color like orange. It's good. Look nice. Okay. So in the description box, what I'm going to do is I'll just paste my description that I'm going to offer for this event. So I have already created my description. So I'll just paste it in there. Okay, as a software consultant, what I can paste. So next, the meeting duration. It's by default 30 minutes. So I'll give 45 minutes for my appointment. Okay, nice. So in the location options, there are, so many options you can choose, like conferencing. There is Google Meet, MS Teams, Zoom Video. These are for the pro users, those who are pro users, they can easily use those options. But what we'll explore, what actually free plans offer. So in free plans, there is in-person meetings, attendee address, you can understand, in-person organizer address. There is also, you can opt in for a phone number, organizer phone number, and also online meeting and custom options. So in-person meeting, if you want to choose in-person, you can choose this. If you want to choose attendee to give their phone number, you can also choose this. Or I'll just have online meeting because Google Meet, Zoom Video, these are for the pro users. But one thing you can do is you can generate a Google Meet link and you can also paste it there. It will technically works, but if you are a pro user, those, Google Meet or Zoom or MS Teams will be integrated with FluentBooking. So you have nothing to worry about, to go back to the Zoom and create your Zoom link over and over, and you have to paste it. There is nothing worry about it. So if you are a pro user, that's for your advantages. So for now, I'm just pasting a Slack link because I have created for my meetings. So I'm gonna paste it. Here is my online meeting link from the Slack. I just pasted there. So in these options, if you want to, to show this link on your booking page, you can easily take it. But for now, I don't want to, take it for now. So I'll just hit update. Awesome. So another exciting features in this location options is you can add other locations also. Like if I hit tape, and you can choose anything like in-person attendee address, or you can ask for, you can give your attendee phone number, organize a phone numbers. Okay. So for now it is not needed. So I'll just delete it. After that, I need to choose my time zone. So my clients can, always see the right time to book an appointment with me. So I'm just giving my time zone, let's say Chicago. Or just name and continue. Yeah. So now continue to the next setup. So this time I have to set up my availability. FluentBooking provides a default schedule, to lessen the effort. But let's see what we can do there. Okay. You can see, you can create your availability. Let's say I'm not available on Tuesday. So we'll just untick it. Okay, and I will be available for the rest of the days. Okay, so this is my default schedule. Okay, I'm just set it and just hit continue. Okay, so after the continue, the event details page is here. Let's have a quick look at it. I have got a new option here which wasn't there earlier, which is allowing attendees to select durations. So it is basically, attendees, can select their preferred duration options. So this is honestly, I never know how long a session will take after starting. So FluentBooking allows me to, leave that to my clients and let them choose their preferred time according to their requirements. So this is gonna do the trick here. So I'll just toggle it on, and I give my available durations like 15 minutes. I'll choose 13 minutes. Okay, this is nice. And my default duration would be 30 minutes. It looks nice. Okay. So you can, as you can see, there is location, as I said earlier, which is online meeting. You can again also add if you want to add another location, you can do this easily for as per your business needs. Okay. So everything is set up now, but the most interesting things I'm gonna share with you is you can see there is a toggle next to the event details. If I toggle it off, what will be happen? So this event page will want to work. So you have to remember first that it should be toggle it on. Then it will be work. Okay. So if I toggle it on, so there is another things you can do from there, because I already created my event calendar, go for the live. So if you want to go for the live, you can easily, tap share, and there is options like landing page, add short code, and other options. You can go for it. But the most important things, I'm gonna give you more customization options, and there are a lot more features that can easily make your calendars more smooth, and you can add a lot more options to there. So let's continue with this. Moving on to the availability, I have some additional features as well. As you can see, I can decide how long my invitees can schedule their appointments from these options, and also even set a date range. And if you don't want to limit your appointment, limit your clients to book your appointments in future days, the option is there. So you can select this. But for now, I'm going with this within the future days, and giving the days number like 30 days. It's enough for me. So moving on to the next part, then I have the default availability as you can see there, but I will just click set custom hours, for what? Because there is a question. So you can see that how do you want to offer your availability for this event type that I have created earlier. So this is my default availability. So if I click set custom hours, I can easily schedule for this event type. So let's say I'm available on Tuesday from 13th to 15th. Okay, 15. So, okay, again, 13. If I select 13 to 15 to 15, let's say 15. Okay, so basically set for this specific event. So I'll just save the changes. So it will automatically saved. So well, here I have the date override. This is a very great feature to manage exceptions to your regular hours. In case you were opening on a holiday or taking a day off, you can update it here accordingly and to let your client know about your availability. So I'll just hit click, and let's say I'm not available on 24th of June 2025. So I'll basically not available for the whole day. I'll just hit click and just apply. So as you can see, it is automatically updated, and I will be not available on this date. Okay. So just hit save changes now. Nice. So moving on to the limits. In the limits page, what you can do is there is before event and after event buffer time. So if I select 5 minutes before event, it will give me some preparation times to take, and after event I will select 10 minutes. So which it give a time to take rest and for the preparation. So in the minimum notice, I will definitely give 24 hours to prevent last minute appointment booking. I will just give 24 hours prior to schedule my appointment. Okay, so time slot intervals, I'm not going to do this. So what I'm going to do in the limit booking frequency, if I toggle it on, I can easily define how many bookings I will take per day. Like I will set 2 meetings per day. If you want to take another limits, if you can just hit or click add another limit, you can select it, but I'm not going to do this. Okay, so in the limit total booking duration, if I toggle it on, you can easily define how much times you want to spend for your meetings. But for me, it's not needed, so I'll just toggle it off. So lastly, for in-person events, you can can lock your specific time zone on the booking calendar, so your clients can get the exact idea of when to join you. So basically, that sums up the limits. So I'll just hit the save changes and moving on to the next part, which is question settings. So following that, I have question area. By default, some questions are already there to collect important information from the attendee. So they're usually enough, but if you want to customize it, you can do it as per your taste, but for now it is okay. There is options that required, so you have to give it if this question is very important, you just required it, just click the yes or save. Okay, so in this question, which is what is this meeting about? So it's basically on the booking page, your attendee will give you the information about the meeting agenda so that you can notified earlier. Okay, so you just toggle it on, and there is also another options which is additional guests. If you toggle it on, you can easily add guests, like how many guests with your attendee will attend in your meeting. So I'll just pick 2, and it is required for the attendee. Okay, just hit save and just save changes. So if you want to add more questions for invitees, you have to go for the Pro, because you have to upgrade for the Pro versions. Okay, so other questions you can easily customize it is basically for the cancel and reschedule your appointment. Like if someone cancel your appointment, so they can give you the information why they canceled your appointment. So just everything is okay and it is required, like save, and also there is a reason for reschedule. So if some invitee want to reschedule after booking an appointment, they can easily reschedule. It's if they want, but they have to give the information of why they want to reschedule. Okay, I'll just hit the save changes and moving on to the next part. Following that, there is email notifications, which is very important, because in this email notifications, what you can do is when someone, like when some invitee will book an appointment with you, they have to get notified, right? So what you will do is toggle it on, because after booking an appointment, your attendee will get confirmation email. So I'll just customize this email a little bit, like subject. There is also a body part of this email. Like from the subject, what I'm gonna do is I will write booking is confirmed. Booking is confirmed. And there is also shortcode opportunity if you want to use it. Like in this subject area, there is host name and guest full name. So this shortcode basically fetch the host name and the guest full name. So if you want to add more shortcode, you can do that easily, but for now it is okay. I'll keep it as it is. Okay. So in the body part, I think it is perfectly enough for me. I'll just add some greetings like dear, and I'll add a shortcode on that. Add a shortcode of the guest last name. Okay, so it will be a greetings. So I will keep it as it is. And definitely, you have to remember this. That the status should be on. Okay, if you off, then the email will not send to the attendee. So I'll just take it and save email. So as you can see, it is automatically updated, and there is also a booking confirmation email to organizer. Like if you are an organizer, then you will get also a notifications email. Here is the, like, if you want to customize it, you can customize, but for now it is okay. I'll just add additional recipients for me, because it will, CC to this email notification. So I'll add another address. Okay, I'll just enable this notification email and hit save email. Okay. So there is also a booking cancelled by attendee email to organizer. You can customize it if you want, but I will keep it as it is. And there is booking rescheduled by attendee and booking rescheduled by organizer. So everything is in your at your fingertips. If you want to do it, you can easily do. Okay, there is also other notifications options like optimize your email notifications if you want to for the confirmations or for the declines. Okay. Like booking approval request to host, if you want to customize it, click edit. Okay. And also you can add additional recipients. Okay. So it is basically work for those, like if you want to book an appointment, the organizer will get an email. If the host want to confirm it, they can easily just hit confirm, and then the booking actually scheduled. If they reject it, then your appointment will be cancelled. So you can do this easily from there. So next, what we can do in the free plan, there is SMS notifications, but actually those are for the pro versions. So those who are pro users, they can easily set them SMS notifications for their clients. And there's advanced settings, and also it is for the pro users. Advanced settings also for the pro users, and webhook feeds also for the pro users. Integrations, you can easily integrate with the Fluent CRM in the free versions. But if you are a pro user, you can integrate with a lot more plugins. Okay. So for now, everything is set up. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just go to the settings. In the general settings, I will look if I can customize something. Okay. So in the admin email, I will keep it as it is. Calendar starts now. Okay. So my calendar will be start from Friday. So I'll just hit Friday, and definitely the time format would be 24 hours format for me. But if you want 12-hour formats, you can just click it. Okay, this is very important part because there is mark booking is cancelled. When it will be happen, it will be automatically happen if they didn't paid. And also, so like it is connected to the payment settings. Like I'm just setting for 20 minutes. If someone booked my appointment and they didn't paid within the 20 minutes, the meeting will be automatically cancelled. So this is a very important feature. So it will also work like it will get rid of those persons who are not genuine, and it will also give you like your authentic clients. Okay. And also I will mark booking is completed after 10 minutes. It's okay for me for the event time. Okay. So default country code for phone field, I will definitely give United States. Okay. Nice. Everything is going nice. So another exciting feature in this page is summary email. So if I toggle it on, what will be happen? You will get your booking summary like in every daily, or if you want weekly, then you can do it weekly. So I will get all the summary details of my appointments in weekly basis, like on Friday or like on Saturday. You can easily do this. It will also helps you, to makes you more fast. Okay. So I'll just hit save. So now I'll just set up the email settings and I will configure it. Like from name, it will be John Smith. I'm just giving the name for the test purpose. So, email should be John3393@gmail.com. Nice. So this is basically this email is as per your domain, and you can see this message in there. And also there is a reply to email. It is optional. If you want to do this, you can do it. But right now I'm not gonna touch anything. It's okay for now. So I'll just hit save settings. So next part, it is very important or very exciting. Like I need to choose the theme for my landing page, for my viewing page, actually, what I'm meaning to say. But I'll definitely select dark as per my taste. It's my personal favorite. You can see the message in there that this only applies to your public landing pages. So this dark mode actually will work for the public landing pages. Okay, so I'll just hit save settings. So everything's look good now. Looks good, everything. And what we can do in the themes. Okay, those are for the pro users. Google Meet, all for the pro users. Yeah, SMS by Twilio, also for the pro users, and payment options and advanced features, I think, all for the. Okay, so you can do, but there are some recommended plugins and add-ons, as I said earlier, that you can integrate with Fluent CRM as a free integration. So you can also do this, but you can also install from there. There is Fluent Boards, Fluent Forms. So those are all for the pro users. So I'm not gonna do anything because we're setting for free plan. Okay. So the lastly, what we'll do, we'll just set our calendar is set, and we will set the host settings. Okay. So we'll just click the host settings. As you can see, there is calendar. Okay. There is a profile picture options. It should be 600 by 600 square orientation. So I will choose my profile. So I'll upload from my files. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is my picture for the profile. Awesome. So I'll insert into the post. It looks nice, right? Okay, so hosting, it would be Smith, and host phone number. I'm just giving a dummy phone number for this. Okay. So this is my phone number with the country code +1. So +1 would be the country code of United States. And this is my phone number. I just picked it. Nice. So host time zone, definitely Chicago. I just said earlier is my default. Okay. So following that, I have the about section. So I just created my about. I'm going to paste it into the box. You just customize it with your own preference. Okay. So the second option is I need to enable this option for all active booking firms. Then the landing page, when I view the appointment booking page, then I can easily go with the landing page. Otherwise, I have to need to open this again. Okay, I just save the settings. You have to make sure that whenever you will, change anything or any settings, you have to click the save settings. Okay, this is the first priority. You have to do this when you will customize it. Okay. So remote calendars are for the pro users. Nice. Don't do this. Zoom integration, as I said earlier, you have to be a pro user for the integrations. So now everything, my host, general settings and everything is set up for now. So what I'm going to do is I'll just recheck it if everything goes well or not. If I need to change anything, then I can easily do that. Okay. So just go to the calendars. Okay, as you can see, my calendar is already created, and here is my event type name, software consultations. I set default time durations, meeting durations, which was 45 minutes, and I also choose 1-to-1. It's nice. Okay, so also I set up my hostess settings from there. Okay, now I'll just recheck it if everything is going well. Okay, you go to the edit. Okay, event details page. Here's my description. Meeting duration is okay. So I'm just toggle it. Here is the important part. I just toggle it off. So I need to switch it because I said I need to have. I'm giving my invitees to select their duration. So I'm giving their time like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then online meeting is going well. I can check it. Yes, everything is okay. Update and hit save changes. Okay. So in the availability page, I just created 60, but it would be 30 again. Date range is okay. Everything is right. Date override. I'll be not available on 24th of June, 2025. It's okay. Hit save changes. Okay. What I said for the limits. Yes, before event, after event, it's okay. Minimum notice 24 hours. Yeah, everything looks good. As you can see in the question settings, everything is on. Yeah, reason for cancellation is also on and it is required. Awesome. Also required. You can customize it at any time. Okay. The most important part, email notifications. So booking confirmation email to attendee is okay. Okay. So I just disable configure meeting reminder to attendee. So I think I have to enable it so that my attendee will unlock can remind before the meeting. Okay. So I'll just enable this email notifications. If you want to customize anything, you can do that and hit save email. Okay. Configure meeting reminder to organizer. Yes, it's also needed for me. I think so. Go to the edit. If you want to customize subject, you can do this. So this is very important. There is timing period. So meeting whenever if I if you set a meeting on 11 o'clock, it will, if I set the timing like 20 minutes, it will give me notifications before the meeting, so I'll automatically notified and I get myself prepared for that. I don't need any additional recipients. If you have any personal secretary, if you want to choose their email, you can also put there. I'll enable these notifications and hit save email. Okay, so everything is good from the email notifications. Yeah, so we can go for the live now. Well, finally, the time to go live with my calendar, and the calendar is here. So let's back to the calendar section and select share. Okay, here is the share. As you can see, there is a short code, landing page, head to blog, and generate link. You can choose any of them from there, but for now, I'm choosing landing page. So here you go with the landing page. Just hit view. Yes, so the calendar is all set to receive my first appointment. So let's book a slot to see if everything is working fine, or do I have to make any changes. Okay, so first I'll pick a date, then a slot, and next I need to provide the details based on the questions that I have set in the booking calendar. Okay, I'm just taking 15 minutes. It was online meeting, I know. Let's choose a date. I choose 12 on Monday. So in the 12 hours format, if you want to choose the 12-hour format, you can do this, but I'm going with the 24 hours format. So I'm choosing this, and as you can see, the next button, hit click. Okay, so you have to give your name, like your clients will give their name. What can I say? David. Yeah, David. Just a dummy email. I'm giving a dummy email. Nice. So this is very important that your clients need to give their meeting about. So it can be like, I want to talk about my software issue. Yeah, but your clients can give you anything, like what they want to do. Okay, they can also, I was enabled the guest options. So if they want to add guests, they need to provide their guest email. Maybe what could be it, like shane@gmail.com. Awesome. So as you can see, I already give every information as a client. So now what I'm gonna do is I will schedule a meeting. Okay, just hit the schedule meeting. Awesome. So, and the confirmation message says it all. I can easily from there I can easily cancel or reschedule the meeting if I want. And if I get back to the booking section, I can easily access all the details I need. And so if I show you how to cancel, that if you want to click cancel, then your clients need to give a reason for cancellations, because I was enabled these options. Okay, says I'm not going for this. Never mind. It's also work reschedule. If your clients want to reschedule your appointment, they can easily do this. But also they need to give you the information about why they want to reschedule it. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this. Okay, so if I get back to the booking section, I can easily access all the details I need. So I'm going to the booking options. You can go to the bookings. If you click there, or if you click the view details, you can see this. Yeah, so this is the invitees information. As the invitees give their name, David, their email. If they want to add any additional guest, it also appears there. And it's the message. This message is actually your attendee want to give you information about the meeting about. Okay, invited time zone, the time slot. So everything is scheduled. And just like that, I have created a free appointment booking system in WordPress. So if you go to the calendars, You can see everything is set up. So thanks to FluentBooking smooth setup and flexible features for making my appointment management much easier. So if you are still struggling to manage your appointments or simply need a complete solution for taking care of your appointments, FluentBooking can be the perfect fit for your workflow. So whereas its a free version offer all the basics to manage appointments with payment, calendar, and CRM integrations. And also in the Pro can level up your appointment management game by many a mile. So the choice is yours. Take a moment, decide what your business needs, and start managing appointments in WordPress a fluent way with FluentBooking. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding any appointment booking, please drop your comments. I'm always there to help you. Thank you.